Here's how to change the PIN on your Android phone. Now, if you go to unlock your Android phone and you want to change the PIN that you enter in, maybe somebody else knows it, I'll show you exactly how to do that. First, you're going to take your finger and swipe up and then just open up the Settings app on your Android phone. From the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Lock Screen and AOD. And then tap on Screen Lock and Biometrics. You'll need to enter in your current PIN, so let me just do that real quick. And after I've done that, I can choose PIN, password, pattern, or swipe. But let's say I still wanted a PIN. It says at least 6 digits is recommended, but you don't need to. So just enter in that PIN and then hit continue and then just go through the process of resetting it. I hope this helps. If you don't mind, take a second and leave a comment down below with your feedback. Let me know, was this helpful for you, or are you still running into issues on your Android phone? Thanks, guys.